So you want to know what is the best time to upload on YouTube and you're not really sure why? Well, let me tell you. Well, let me have an answer for you in this video today. So when it comes to YouTube, a lot of people think, especially at the start, that upload time is extremely important, and I'm going to give you two answers. I'm going to give you the answer yes and no, but two reasons why. Now, make sure to actually stay to the end of the video to actually understand the full concept of why I give both of these answers and how these answers will differ if you are a beginner in your YouTube career. So if you are a complete beginner, upload time does not matter, mainly for two reasons. Number one is you don't actually have the analytics to look at your data, so therefore you can't go towards any direction of which is the best time to upload on YouTube, no matter which country it is, because you don't have any data to back up your hypothesis. So what does that mean and what should you do since you don't actually know what time to upload on YouTube? Well, the answer is fairly simple. At the start, before you upload 33 videos on YouTube, upload your first initial 33 videos on YouTube. Then after that, if you have got the data, which I will show you how to access later on in the video, what you should first do is you should set up a weekly schedule, and you should definitely mark down a time of your day where you can record, edit, upload videos using something like Google Calendar and using Notion to actually come up with creative ideas. But what is actually a good weekly schedule? This differs on person to person and depending if you have commitments like a full-time job or anything else that you have to commit to during the week or even on weekends. So at the bare minimum, I would definitely recommend at least one video a week, and if you can do more, then I would recommend uploading 2 to 3 videos a week, and if you can do more, then that's totally fine. At bare minimum, remember 1 video a week, and if you've got time, do 2 or 3 videos each and every single week. After you've gone through the transition of uploading 33 videos, and the reason why I say 33 videos is because that's usually when YouTube actually starts picking up your content and the algorithm realizes that you are a real YouTube channel, and therefore you have some data coming in, and I'm going to be showing you how to access it on one of my other channels that is actually monetized, and I have the data to actually show you. So let's actually jump into the computer and I'm going to show you what I mean after you uploaded your initial 33 videos and you actually have data. And if you do not have any data to go on right now, keep on uploading videos even if it's only 33, and look at your analytics, see what you can change to improve the videos, see what you can cut out, see where there are ums and ahs, and cut them out to improve your next batch of 33 videos. So let's jump onto my computer and actually have a look at the data. So as we can see, this is my YouTube channel called BlazeTube, and we are actually going to be swapping to my other YouTube channel. So this is my other old YouTube channel right here, which I should definitely get back into, but I have not. So as we can see, we currently have 2,630 subscribers with a total of 7.9 thousand views every 28 days and an average watch time hours of 834, and currently our revenue is sitting at $17.55 for the month with old style videos such as no commentary gaming videos, which is actually doing pretty well. Funnily enough, even though duration of people watching these videos is very low, but that's not the point of today's video. So if we come to the left hand side of our YouTube analytics in the YouTube Studio dashboard on PC format, you're going to want to go to analytics, and after you go analytics, you will see 5 different tabs up top. What you want to do to actually get the best upload time is go to audience. Then if you scroll down, you may see a graph like this. Now depending on this graph depends on what time you upload, which will depend on what days you're actually uploading and whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, and 1 video a week or more. So let's say for this example, we're actually uploading on Tuesdays, right? So as we can see here, we got a light purple, and as we can see, it goes darker, then it goes back to lighter and lighter and lighter. So the very light sections on the analytics is when not many people actually go watch your channel. But however, the very dark purple on the data shows when people are most likely going to be viewing your channel. So look for the very dark sections in your analytics. So for me, it's about 3 and 4 a.m. on a Tuesday. So let's say for this example, we are actually uploading once a week on Tuesdays, and our best times to upload are between 3 and 4 a.m. each and every single week on Tuesdays. So what we're actually going to want to do is we're going to want to jot down those times as of right now, which is 3 and 4 a.m. on Tuesdays, and upload 1 to 2 hours before 1 a.m. So 1 to 2 hours before 3 a.m. is either 2 a.m. or 1 a.m. and you can schedule your content to release upon 1 a.m. If you don't want to stay up that late waiting to actually upload your video, you can actually schedule it. And you can repeat this process if you're doing, let's say, Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Thursdays you're uploading, or you might see that Sundays, Mondays and Tuesdays work absolutely best for you with the highest amount of people actually watching your channel. Then you might want to change your schedule to these particular days as it's working out better for you. And also, if you have TubeBuddy, which I will link down below, in your analytics it's got a recommendation tab, and this is upload times and live stream times. I don't really do live streams, so I just disclose this, but the upload times, it would say weekly on Sunday at 2 a.m. and depending on your country, I got Australian Eastern Standard Time, and Sundays are 2 a.m. best time for me personally. So if I was uploading once a week, I would upload on 2 a.m. Sunday time, and I would actually upload it 1 or 2 hours beforehand, so either 1 a.m. or 12 a.m. on Sunday. And you can see much more analytics, like who actually has the notifications on, which is 18.3%, and who turns on all notifications, which is 5.9% for me. And you can see more data, such as people watching your videos that are not subscribed to the channel is 96.1%, and 3.9% of my subscribers are actually watching my channel. My gender is dominantly male, and a small percentage is female. And you can see some more analytics of what your age genre is. So mine is generally between 18 to 24 year olds and 35 to 34 year olds. Everything else I can pretty much rule out. And as you can see, we actually have a very good CPM, very good RPM, and as you can see, these are old videos actually making me money. So that's cool, but that's a video for another. So if you guys enjoyed today's content, remember to smash like, as well as check out another video on the channel. And if you guys want more deep dives into analytics of either current channels that I have or this current channel, you want me to actually review a channel for you, then definitely comment that below. But other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. This was BlazeTube. I'm out. See you guys next time. Bye.